There is an opportunity to sell more than $20 million of lights and sirens in Canada, or some smaller amounts of consoles, push bumpers, and prisoner partitions. With a population around the size of California, the 51st American States National Police, the Royal Canadian Mounties, equips more than 6,450 vehicles. These other agencies contribute an additional numbers of police vehicles. British Columbia Commercial Vehicle Inspection Fleet, more than 160 cruisers. The City of Calgary, along with their community standards and transit police, are an additional 800 vehicles. The City of Edmonton has a police fleet of more than 720 vehicles. The City of Vancouver has more than 1,000 vehicles in their fleet, with the transit police adding another 234. New Westminster and Victoria combine to more than another 100 cruisers, and the Alberta Sheriff and Commercial Vehicle Inspection adds another 350 police vehicles to the total. The City of Saskatoon, along with the Saskatoon Commercial Vehicle Compliance, add another 110 police cruisers, and the cities of Medicine Hat, Lethbridge, and Regina contribute another 160 police cruisers. Considering only these communities and agencies, more than 10,000 emergency vehicles are found across Canada. If just 10% are replaced annually, that equals 1,000 upfits per year. At $5,000 per upfit, that's $5 million. If the equipment costs $10,000 for a full setup in each vehicle, the equipment market is more than $10 million additional dollars. If there are $20 million of police equipment sold in Canada, that is around 52 cents per citizen. Not bad. Not as good as if someone was able to generate $38.5 million, as that would be $1 for every citizen.